Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TD 150 DSG 4X in a sleek grey exterior colour. This powerhouse of a vehicle boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission and 5-door body style. Registered new in 2022, this Kodiaq is packed with comfort and safety features to enhance every driving experience. From ambient lighting to satellite navigation, voice control to wireless charging, this vehicle has it all. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, your safety is never compromised. The stylish chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails add a touch of sophistication to your ride. Benefit from the energy recuperation, limited slip differential, and self-driving capabilities of the Kodiaq. And rest assured, knowing this vehicle comes with a full, multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this incredible 2022 Skoda Kodiaq. Call us today or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive away in style, comfort and safety with the Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TD 150 DSG 4X.